To perform the standing double arm face pull, make sure your cable is anchored at your face level. You want to be able to pull the rope towards you and have it among your eye line. So stand back with some tension on the rope, pull towards your face with your elbows fairly back and up, and squeeze those shoulder blades behind you while you do it. Your palms are facing down, even though it's a very strange grip, very powerful way to hit some muscles that don't like to do their jobs very well. Inhale as you come back, and exhale as the weight comes forward. Repeat with good form through all repetitions. The standing double arm face pull is an excellent accessories exercise. It's very unique because it hits muscle groups that don't really like to do their job very well. We've got a rope and we've got a cable. Let's get into it. The standing double arm face pull is a very unique exercise. See how Katie has her cable at her face level, and as she pulls the rope toward her, she's splitting the rope with her arms and keeping her elbows nice and high. And what that does is it engages these back muscles that don't really like to do their job very much. She's doing an excellent job of keeping her core engaged, not letting her hips fall forward, and keeping her elbows in a straight line. You'll notice they want to get lazy during this exercise, so she's got to make sure to keep them high and not letting them fall. Excellent job, Katie.